is the entrepreneur from the state of Florida. He was selected as one of the most top 100 influential people in South Florida. I could go on and on with all the accolades and what he's accomplished. He is one of the owners of the Florida Panthers, the National Hockey League team right here in South Florida. He has accomplished one thing after another. I could go on and on with all the accolades, but when you go back to South Florida, he has been nominated as a distinguished alum, not just nominated, but chosen. The advertising school at South Florida is named the Zimmerman Advertising School. Everything the guy has touched has turned to gold. It doesn't happen by accident. It's because of the hard work, and some of the things that we wanted him to share with us today is just some of those intangible things that has helped him get to where he wants to be. He is a husband, he is a father. His son Jet is here with us today. Where'd you go, Jet? He's outside. Well, we got to bring Jet in here. We got to bring Jet in here. Jet, we were introducing you to the team. We were introducing you to the team right now. We were introducing you to the team. One of you come on over here and you can stand right there on that wall, and that way you can hear what your dad has to say. But he's got an awful lot of lessons that he can pass along to us. He's been doing this now for 30 years to build that small little mom and pop shop into one of the bigger advertising companies in the entire country. And it's come through a lot of hard work day after day. Let's have three for George Zimmerman.
Thank you, guys. Good afternoon. You know, in life, I grew up in a little humble town in Old Bridge, New Jersey. I came from nothing. So I understand what it's like to start with nothing. But I also understand what it's like to have a commitment to be the very best and to never quit. You know, when I used to play ball, they used to say, well, they're watching the game films. And I say, they don't see the game films of what's about to happen. Okay, what happened yesterday is not what's going to happen today. And what's in our hearts is what brings us to be the very best we can be. I think you all agree to that. Every single day, we can make it happen. People bet against us. They bet against me. When I started this ad agency, I'm competing against the Goliath. Well, University of Miami is a Goliath, but we're going to kick their ass. Why? Because we believe we can. I want to tell you a little secret, and I learned this in high school. There's a little part of our brain called the RAS. It's called the reticular activating system of the brain. It's where you will yourself to greatness. There's no reason I should have built a $3 billion agency, but I did because I willed myself to it. You can Google it and you read all about it. It's no bullshit. It's real. And you could will yourself to win today. The game of football and the game of business is very similar. I played the same tactics I used and the same strategies I used on the field in the boardroom. And the game is the same because you have to think, not think, but use instincts to be very good. What happens when we think on a field? They're gone. They're by us. We can't think. We've got to use our instincts. In business, we can't think either. We have to use our instincts. So when you apply it together, you have one opportunity every single game to be great. So I ask you today, dig deep. Don't get on your heels. Go out there and hit harder than you ever hit. Create films that people will be fearful of. And make sure that you go out there knowing in your heart and soul you can win. Today is our day. Today is the day of the ball. And today we're going to show University of Miami and the rest of the world who we are. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Let me hear it again, louder. Let's go. We can do this. Are we right?
Yes, sir.
That's great. So let me tell you how we're going to do this. We're going to go in there today for the first time, and we're going to forget about the games in the past. I watched every single one of your games, and I saw what happened those last 3-4 minutes. It breaks not only your heart, it breaks my heart. But we can't change that. What we can change is today. So I ask you all to go out there and don't think about yesterday. Think about today and what we can do today. I have one of your fellow brothers working for me, AJ Love. And AJ will tell you what kind of a company we built. the energy that exists in that company every single day. And most importantly, the attitude we have about winning. There is no second place in life. You understand that, right? What I hate about Little League football and Little League baseball and Little League soccer is that everybody gets a trophy today. So we've produced a trophy generation. Am I right? Okay, no more trophies. We win. We go out there every day to win in life because you don't pay your bills with second place. And you don't walk proud in second place. Because as far as I'm concerned, second place is losing. So I want you all to go out there today and do what you haven't been able to reach for inside. You know, it's funny, I see a player, his name is Wes Welker. You all know who he is. Okay, well, I know Wes. And when he played in high school, they said, you're too small to play in college. He ripped it up in college. What do you think they said when he wanted to go to the pros? You're too small to play in the pros. And he got, we had him in Miami as an all-purpose back. And what do we do as Miami? We give him away to New England. The man has a heart. The biggest heart. Give me a player with a heart and a soul, and I'll give you a winner. That guy has set every receiving record in New England at 180 pounds. And he plays like a man that's 230 and 240 pounds. You know why? I'm going to go back. Because he believes he can. His heart and his soul drive him as a person. Today is our day. I am proud to have graduated from USF, and we had no football team. It's one of the reasons I chose the school. I love to watch you guys play. And more importantly, I love to watch you win. I ask you today to go out there. We can beat this team. It's in your heart and it's in your soul. Let's give them a whooping. So let me hear it. 1, 2, 3. What are we going to do?
Win.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. That's winning? Have I failed you? Oh, come on. I want to hear it.
What do you want? We want win or win?
Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3.
Win.
Thank you guys very much. Go get them.